Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey,
I am just here in Heathrow in a hotel. My wife is on a
why
business
don't you
trip
show
and
them the
I'm
new pivot
staying
stand?
in the hotel working on some wedding films. And I wanted
Hey,
to show
Michael.
you guys
What?
my behind
Don't
the scenes
don't
and
worry
how
about talking about
I...
that stuff.
Look, show him the new pivot stand in
Okay.
here.
Okay. Yeah. Show them
Okay,
the new
give me the
pivot stand.
stand and I'll show it to him. Okay, now go over there. All right, look, I have made a stand for a case, sorry, for my pivot stand. And one of the major issues you might know about with these pivot stands is that the back side, which holds the sticky side in place, can be a little bit loose and come undone in your pocket, in your bag, whatever, and it kind of ruins the practicality of this, means that over time it's going to quickly degrade. But I thought there must be an easy way for us to solve that, and there is. I 3D printed this little case. So you can see here it's kind of hollow through the middle, and on the outside, hopefully you can see, there's like a slit going through it, which allows the 3/4 inch screw to kind of slip through there. You see, and then you just tighten it up, and then Bob's your uncle. You now have a case for your pivot stand. You could actually take the pivot stand part off, and just keep the sticky part in. It's in there nice and tight. It's holding the two parts together. Brilliant little design, if I might say so myself. This is version 1.0. It is a little bit too big. It doesn't need to be this big. I oversized it because I was waiting for the part to come and I knew this issue existed. I didn't quite know the diameters. It was hard to find exactly how big this was, but I went too big so that I wasn't going to be left in trouble while I was on this little trip. But it's a lovely little case. Let me guys know if you would be interested in me selling this, and I could maybe put it on my Etsy store. Otherwise, you know, it really is just a box with a hole through the middle. And I will keep you guys updated on version 2.0. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I think this is quite important. I don't know why they didn't solve this. Insta360, I'm here. I'm here. Don't take my design, right? This is mine. But here to help.